Hi, first grade. Since many of you are spending lots of time with Mom and Dad, I have a fun book to share with you called Froggy's Day with Dad. Maybe your days with Mom and Dad are similar or maybe different than Froggy's. Froggy's Day with Dad. I wonder what they're doing. See if I can get a good angle to show you this book here. There we go. There we go. Froggy, called his mother. What? Cried Froggy. Rise and shine, said his mom. It's Father's Day. Hooray, cried Froggy as he hopped out of bed and flopped to the kitchen. Flop, flop, flop. See, I gotta get a good angle here. There we go. He had been waiting for a long time for Father's Day to come. At school, he made a special present, and now he was making breakfast for Dad, all by himself. He dropped an egg on his foot. Splat. Oops, said Froggy. Froggy, called his dad. What? What's that funny smell? You'll see, said Froggy. Excuse me. Then he served his dad breakfast in bed. Happy Father's Day, said Froggy. I made it all by my... Oops. It slipped. Splat. Oh, Froggy, said his mom. She scooped it up, and Froggy's dad took a bite. Thanks, Froggy, he said. The eggshells are nice and crunchy. I have another surprise for you, said Froggy after breakfast. We're going to play golf for Father's Day. It's your favorite game. You're too little to play golf, said Dad. But you're just the right size to play miniature golf. Yippee, said Froggy. Let's go. First, you have to get dressed, silly. Oops, said Froggy, and he flopped back to his room to get dressed. Flop, flop, flop. Zip, zap, zim, zoop, zip, zap. I'm ready, cried Froggy, and he and his dad flopped all the way to the fun park. Flop, flop, flop. First, cried Froggy, let's ride the bumper boats. Okay, said Froggy's dad, then we'll play golf. Froggy sat in his dad's lap and helped steer. Whip, splash, oof. The bumper boats, they bumped each other so hard, and Froggy bounced up into the air. Whee! Turned a somersault and landed upside down in the boat. Thump. Oh, silly Froggy. Let's go to the batting cage, said Froggy. Okay, said his dad. Then we'll play golf. Froggy put on his helmet. Zwat! Then he wound up and swung. Oops! The bat flung out of his hands and hit his dad's foot. Thunk. Uh-oh, is Dad having very much fun? Now can we play golf, asked his dad. Golf, said Froggy. Why didn't you say so? Let's go. So they flopped over to play miniature golf. Flop, flop, flop. At the first hole, Froggy wound up and started to swing. Froggy, yelled his dad. What? We're facing the wrong way. Oops, cried Froggy. I knew that. Did he? I don't know. Froggy turned around, then wound up and started to swing. Wait, said his dad. First you have to address the ball. Oh no, said Froggy. Hello, ball. No, his dad laughed. I mean, stand with your feet apart and place the head of the club behind the ball, then swing. Froggy shrugged, then wound up and swung. Bing, boing, bonk. The ball bounced on 3 windmill blades and landed in the hole. Plop! Hole in one! Cried Froggy. What are the chances? Oh my goodness. Holy cow, said Froggy's dad. That was beginner's luck. No way, said Froggy. I'm a pro. And his dad took 9 times to hit the ball in. And Froggy said, nice try, Dad. And they flopped into the next hole. Flop, flop, flop. Oh, how silly. Now watch me, said Froggy, and he wound up and swung. Bam, bing, boing. The ball bounced off 3 towers and smacked his dad on the head. Bonk, and knocked him down. Oh no. Oops, cried Froggy, looking more red in the face than green. Then Froggy groaned. Thanks, Froggy, groaned his dad, and he rubbed a bump on his head the size of a golf ball. The rest of the game was fun, though, especially for Froggy. He dove into the pond behind a waterfall. flap, splash, and came up with 7 balls. Now, is that a good idea? And when they got back home, Froggy gave his dad his special Father's Day gift. Happy Father's Day, Dad! His dad tore off the paper. Rip! Wow, a mug, he said. Yep, said Froggy. I painted the letters all by myself. It says, to the best dad I ever had. Thanks, Froggy, said his dad. This is the best gift I've ever had. That's about Froggy. I don't know if your days with your mom and dad have been like Froggy's, but say an extra special thanks to them for helping you with your schoolwork. Bye, first grade.